Masa from Asian Inspirations has joined me once again in the kitchen. The markets are closed today. You're not in the restaurant.
No.
What are you going to cook for me?
So we're going to cook some curry udon today.
So Masa, we're going to be using the S&B Golden Curry Medium Hot today. And what we love about this, how convenient it is. So you can literally pull it straight out, and then you've got your 5 servings here of the curry paste, which you're just going to dilute straight into some stock today. You could use water, and all the flavourings have been done for you. So all the hard work's done. Open the packet, into the pot, and a beautiful Japanese curry is ready within minutes.
Yeah, you blend it all in together.
Love it.
So easy.
Love it. All right, where do we start?
Tasty. So we got a bit of onions today, mushrooms today, carrots today,
Beautiful.
and also a bit of beef tenderloin that's been sliced. You can use pretty much any kind of beef you want.
Beautiful.
Pork also works really well.
Nice. So what goes in first?
So we'll go with the carrots.
Beautiful.
Nice sizzle. The onions.
Onions.
The beef is cut really small as well, so just chuck that in there too.
So you basically cut everything up nice and small, almost the same size, but everything will cook down at the same rate, which is excellent.
Exactly.
We love it, which means less time spent cooking.
A little bit of a kitchen hack.
I love it. Now, how many of these curries will you be using?
We'll use all of it.
We're using all of them. We're going to go all out, so we'll get that ready to go. I'll break them up for you.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
And to make things even quicker,
Yeah.
if you can just chop it up and put it in the bowl for me,
I can absolutely do that.
it'll dilute much quicker that way.
I love it. Fast little tips to get our dinner on the table faster is always so good.
So when you're using a stainless steel pot, you'll probably have a little bit of the ingredients stuck on the bottom. Don't worry about it. Once you add the liquid, it'll deglaze.
It's all the flavour. All the flavour gets stuck to the bottom. And then once you add in this beautiful stock. Now talk to me about this stock that you've got here. This smells incredible.
So that is a dashi stock with a little bit of soy sauce, mirin, and sake.
Beautiful. So you can make your own dashi stock at home.
Exactly.
Make a big batch. You can even freeze some down as well if you want. Pull it out when it's really nice and convenient.
Yes. If you go to the local Asian supermarket or even a Coles or Woolworths, you can probably buy one of those instant dashi powders.
Yep.
So there's a really quick, nice options that you have.
Love that. The mushrooms go in. Beautiful. This is coming together very, very fast. I love it.
So now that the meat's cooked through, we'll just put the heat through the mushrooms.
Yep.
And once that's done, we'll start adding the stock.
Beautiful.
We'll probably go around that much. Whoa, sorry, I'm making a mess.
It's okay. Bit of a party. And I'm going to assume the curry goes in next.
Exactly.
Yeah. Is this something that you grew up eating, Masa?
It's a very well-known home cooking that your mum likes to cook when she really has trouble thinking of something for dinner.
I like it. So it's like the default dish. It's like,
Exactly.
all right, what am I having tonight? We're going to make a beautiful, warming Japanese curry.
Yeah, sometimes they make it too much and then you have to have it for like the next 5 days.
That's okay. That's okay. It's like me with like bolognese. You're always going to make enough to have leftovers. It is what it is.
Exactly.
Exactly. Beautiful.
But because Japanese curries are very mild
Yes.
and very easy to use,
Yep.
it's very versatile. So you can use it for sauces for not just noodles,
Yep.
rice,
Yep.
croquettes, burgers,
Yes.
you can name it.
I love the katsu curry, where you get the beautiful fried cutlet, whether it's pork or chicken. I've even seen tofu being fried into a schnitzel as well, and then serving that beautiful, rich, deep-coloured curry sauce with that and some rice. That's my favourite. So good.
One of the best. Gradually add your curry stock.
And that's just going to instantly dissolve, and it's also got the thickeners in there as well, which helps to basically bring that from the soupy consistency that the broth is to a really nice, thick and reduced, almost gravy-like kind of dressing, which is just gorgeous.
And this is where it's going to help to wrap its flavors around the noodles.
Yes. It smells incredible. So how long are we going to let this sit for now, Masa?
So basically, once the stock's already boiling, then just wait for the roux to start activating.
Yep.
Just make sure you keep stirring just because it's going to start burning on the bottom. And it also helps to deglaze the things that's stuck on the bottom as well. And you'll soon start to see that the stock will start to become very thick.
You can already see it's starting to thick already as it's boiling. So I reckon we'll leave that for a few minutes. We'll get our noodles ready to go, find a serving bowl, and then I can dig into this warming, delicious beef curry.
Exactly.
Beautiful. Masa, this authentic Japanese curry smells incredible. I've not been to Japan, but I'm going to assume this is like the smells of Japan. It is homely, it's wholesome. You can smell those beautiful spices in there. Let's dig in. Yum. And you can see how thick and golden this curry is. The starch is in that beautiful curry paste as well, ready to go. You've got dinner in no time.
You can spring the onions to do the garnish.
It's so glossy, so glossy.
And voila, it's done.
Masa, that's dinner done, I would say, in about 15 minutes. And to have a curry made in 15 minutes is very impressive.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much for coming in.
Thank you very much.